wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sewing kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're worried about potential snags and loose buttons while on the go, keep the Coleman Travel on hand in your carry-on. It includes everything you need for quick repairs and manages to pack 21 colors of thread into its compact hard case. It comes with 2 snap replacements. However, the plastic is easily cracked in transit, and there's not enough black and white thread. At number 9, with just 12 spools of thread, the Coquimbo Mini won't provide color matching for every popped button that may befall you, but it's certainly sufficient in a pinch. It does include a handy seam ripper though, and a thimble for keeping your fingers safe from pinpricks. It's a great small size for travel, but the needles are easily broken, and the case has too much empty space. Coming in at number 8 on our list, whether you're in the hotel business or are throwing a clothier-themed party, the honbay Simple Necessities may come in handy. It includes 100 compact individually wrapped sets, each of which comes with a threader, a few buttons, and 6 colors of thread. You get 1 needle per package, and it's great for carrying in your purse. However, the packages aren't resealable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, in order to make space for its 12 large spools of thread, the Vellostar medium uses its spine to store the included measuring tape and thimble. The tight-packed collection also comes with a handy assortment of 30 needles for a variety of applications. The large safety pins are quite useful, and it's available in red or black, but the needle case is very hard to open. Moving up our list to number 6. Whether you're shipping off to the front lines or just headed out on holiday, the Rothco GI Repair is the perfect size for tucking into your duffel. With scissors, a measuring tape, and all the pins and thread you'll need, it's a steal at well under $10. It sports a gender-neutral olive drab design and snaps securely shut. However, the scissors blades could be sharper. Halfway up our list at number 5. Though it occupies a smaller footprint when closed than a standard sheet of paper, the Sew Simply XL manages to pack in 30 spools of thread in a veritable rainbow of colors. Everything is held in place with elastic bands, so your materials won't get jostled in transit. The scissors are full-sized, and it has multicolored pins for visibility, but the thread is poor quality. At number 4, opening up the Singer Vintage basket may just transport you back to the days you spent watching your mother darn socks and stitch up your old sweaters. It contains an inset tray with all of its tools, beneath which you can store your own thread and other accoutrements. It's handsomely upholstered and includes 100 straight pins. However, it is smaller than many customers expect. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Intended for those new to the world of pins and needles, the Dritz Start to Sew comes with everything a budding seamster needs to get going. From a white marking pencil to a metal tracing wheel for mapping out patterns, it's a cut above most beginner models. Pun intended. It features angled scissors that work well on fabric, a classic tomato-style pincushion, and multiple sheets of tracing paper. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the sewkit basket organizer comes with all the standards you'll find in most smaller sets, with some added bonuses that make it more than worth its cost. From a veritable rainbow of buttons and thread to a white pencil for marking out alterations, it has you covered. It's available in a variety of patterns, all with a large storage area for extra tools and a secure magnetic snap closure. And coming in at number 1 on our list, while the Innocheer Mend XMS134 is more than suitable for making quick repairs or adjustments to your wardrobe, its rainbow of thread, including 2 multicolored spools, might just inspire you to get a bit more creative than most kits. It includes a pair of nail clippers, an intuitive and organized layout, and a handy exterior pocket. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing kits, or simply click beneath this video.